And now it's time for one of my favorite features of the QuickBooks software, the Find window. The Find window allows you to find any transaction instantly. All you have to do is describe the transaction that you're looking for to QuickBooks. The more you can describe, the more quickly that QuickBooks can find the transaction. When you are filtering a search, you're adding additional description to your search so QuickBooks can narrow down the search and find fewer and fewer ones that fit that description and make it easier to find the one you want. Let's take a look. From the main menu, click Edit, Find, and the Find window opens up. Notice there's an Advanced tab and a Simple tab. In this video, we will concentrate only on the Simple tab. First, you have to choose the type of transaction you're looking for. For example, if you choose sale receipt and you don't give any other description to QuickBooks, when you click the Find button, you will get a list of every single sale receipt in the file since the file has been created. Turns out there are 18 sales receipts in this file. You can reset, and instead you can find every credit memo in this file. When we click Find, you get a list of every single credit memo that has been put in the file since the file has been created. You could always double-click on one of the credit memos so that you can change or adjust or delete anything you want because you found it in this panel from the Find window. To make sure we master the skill of using the Find window, let's find some of these. First, let's find any check for $1,000. From the main menu, again, click Edit, Find. This time the transaction type is a check, but we are going to put more information than just the transaction type. We're actually going to put the amount, 1,000, and push Tab to save the field. Once we have the details of the transaction we're looking for, we click Find. Turns out there's only one check in the entire file for $1,000. That was the one that we made for Staples. That was the most recent transaction. We can double-click and take a look at it, and we can close it out and reset the Find window. Now let's find this specific check, check number 204. After you choose the transaction type, just click into the number field and type in the number of that specific transaction. Click Find. Here is check number 204. It's the $80 to Verizon for the prepaid phone card. Very good. Now let's really experience filtering. What if we wanted to find all invoices to Alan specifically between January 15th and February 28th? We will have to use more than one filter and more than one descriptive field. So after opening the Find window and making sure you choose the Simple tab, you want to choose transaction type invoice. The specific customer is Alan, and the invoices for Alan that we want to find are between January 15th and February 28th. When we click Find, we see that there are only 2 invoices that fit that description. And of course, we could double-click and open up any one of them to edit, change, or see any additional detail that we might need. The one last thing you might want to know about the Find window is that after you get your Find results, you can click this button, Report, and it will make the Find results come into a typical QuickBooks report. If the Find results come into a typical QuickBooks report, you can modify the report in the way that we learned before and the way that we will learn in future tool time tips. Then, of course, you could always print or email the report or export it to Excel from the search results, from the Find results that you got a moment ago. It is a very, very helpful tool.